Mastering buttery smooth slow motion with your Canon EOS R5 is easier than you think, transforming ordinary footage into cinematic art. Let's dive into setting up your Canon EOS R5 for breathtaking slow motion. First, power on your camera and switch to video mode. You'll want to be in either manual movie mode or flexible priority in movie mode for full control. Our crucial first step is to adjust the frame rate. Navigate to the menu, find the movie recording size settings, and then look for the high frame rate option. This is where the magic happens. Select either 12op or 10op for maximum slowdown, while 6op, 5op also offers slow motion. 12op, 10op will give you the most dramatic and fluid results without needing to overcrank in post-production. Next, pick your resolution for the absolute best quality. Choose DCI 4K or 4K UHD. The R5 shines at these resolutions, ensuring your slow motion footage remains crisp and detailed. Downscaling from a higher resolution generally gives a cleaner image. Now, let's talk about picture profile. For the most flexibility in color grading, I highly recommend using Canon Log 3 or a neutral picture style. These profiles retain more dynamic range, allowing you to fine-tune your colors and contrast in editing. Remember to adjust your shutter speed. A general rule of thumb for slow motion is to double your frame rate, so if you're shooting at 120 frames per second, aim for a shutter speed of 1/250th of a second. This helps to reduce motion blur, keeping your subject sharp even when played back slowly. Lastly, lighting is key. Slow motion requires more light because of the faster shutter speed and higher frame rate. Ensure your subject is well lit, or open up your aperture to compensate, keeping your ISO as low as possible to avoid noise. With these settings, your Canon EOS R5 is now a slow motion powerhouse, ready to capture cinematic moments with stunning clarity and fluidity.